What is data? What is data analysis? And should we still learn data analysis in 2024 despite the rise in AI, different AI tools that could even analyze data for us? Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Babalola Oluwatose, and in this video we'll break down what data is, what data analysis is, whether you should go for data analysis in 2024. Data are raw facts which could be in form of numbers, pictures, videos, measurements. A video of me talking to you right now, data. If I take a picture of me pouting and a picture of me smiling and a picture of me crying, that is data. So we have data, picture of me crying, laughing, pouting. Let's say I wake up every morning at 8 a.m. and I eat breakfast at 10 a.m. That is data, alright? So let's say there's a dog that is always coming to my compound every morning by 12 p.m. So that is data by observation. Not like the dog is giving me the time to record, but I am observing the time the dog is coming to my compound to record it. So all of these are data. Now that we know what data is, what is data analysis? So data analysis involves collecting this data, processing it, and then analyzing it to make informed decisions. Alright, so now you have this data in its raw state, alright, and you want to make decisions from this data. Before you can make decisions from this data, you have to first get the data you want to make decisions from, right? Because what are we going to do without having the data we actually want to make decisions from? So that's why the first step is for you to collect the data, and then you process the data. By processing the data, we mean like you're trying to put everything in place, you're trying to clean the data to look for inconsistencies in the data, errors that could make you have incorrect analysis. So that's what we mean by processing the data. We call it other names, but remember this is a beginner video, so I'm not going to complicate things. So after you process your data, then you can go ahead to analyze the data. Analyzing the data involves like creating summary tables that gives you insight into your business question that you're trying to answer. After you analyze your data, we then visualize our data. Visualizing the data means you're creating like charts, graphs, you're creating maps just to show and answer the business question that you will have. So after you visualize your data, you should communicate. You have to communicate everything, all your findings to your stakeholders. So that is just like the general overview of what data analysis is about. Data analyst is that person that performs the whole data analysis process, alright? So if you perform the data analysis process, that means you are a data analyst, okay? So because a lot of people kind of mix this up, they say, I want to become a data analyst. No, you want to become a data analyst, alright? You want to learn data analysis. So data analysis is the act, while data analyst is the person. Let's now go to the point of, should you learn data analysis in 2024 or not? With the rise of AI everywhere, there are several AI tools that could even analyze data at this time. There are data like ChatGPT. You can feed ChatGPT with data and ask it to analyze this data for you.
But companies do not do this because of data privacy, so they still need a data analyst.
If you want to break into data analysis and you are wondering should you learn it or should you look for another skill, I'd advise that you should learn it. But if you want to learn it, you should make sure that you learn the basics and then try to accelerate your work using AI. Some people believe that they don't want to use AI because they want to do, let me put in quotes, over sabi. Using AI will speed up your process. Like a task that you're supposed to use 5 days for, which AI you may be using just 24 hours, which is just 1 day to do the task, alright? And imagine they have like different data analysts in your company and they give both of you the same task and you delivered your own in 24 hours and the other person is delivering 5 days in 5 days time. If they are looking to like drop somebody off, It won't be you because you are efficient. You're using your time effectively, right? If you're looking at breaking into data analysis in 2024, make sure you learn the basics first, because without the basics, if you're just using AI to start out, there will be problem on the long run. So make sure you learn the basics in detail, to understand the basics very well, and then now try to integrate AI into your work to make you more efficient. So let me know in the comment section if you agree with my point of integrating AI into your workflow or not. Let me know your reason why. Thank you for sticking by to the end of this video, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye for now.